Hey, what's up guys, me George again, here with another quick unboxing. And I just got this upgrade for my monopod. This is from the brand Oben. So yeah, let's take a look at what's inside this box. This is the ACM-24000 4-section aluminum monopod. I don't know if you can see it, I hope so. So yeah, let's take a look at what's inside. These retails for about, I believe so it was $50, sort of like that. Because I earlier had a Benroll monopod, aluminum as well, very sturdy as well. But it was way too heavy and way too large, even collapsed. So I wanted a smaller monopod that it could, go even not as high. I don't care if it wasn't that high, but I needed to be compact. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with a nice bag, so you can carry it. Branded Oben. Inside, I feel some things. Ooh, silica. Nice big silica gel bags. What else? Okay, so feel something else. Yep. Okay, so put the box aside. So here we have the instruction manual for warranty as well, and an Allen tool. So you go to the side, and yeah, this is the monopod. I like the sturdiness of it. I don't know what these things are about, so let's read. Okay, so it says ACM-24000 4-section aluminum monopod. Integrated mount. The top mount offers the option to mount a camera directly, or a ball head can be used for greater control. The hand strap for more secure handling while shooting. Nice. The leg warmer, padded leg for handling the tripod in extreme weather, and flip locks. Flip locks provide quick and secure height adjustments. The maximum height is 63.8 inches or 1.62 meters. The close height is 21 inches or 53.3 centimeters. The load capacity is up to 12 kilograms or 26.4 pounds. It weighs just 1.65 pounds or 0.74 kilograms. It has 4 leg sections, which I like. It also comes with a strap. Up top in the head, we can unscrew this part. And yeah, you can secure the camera in here pretty nicely. But you can also remove this and connect your own ball head. It also comes with a 3.5 and a 1/4 inch thread, so you have options. I don't know what this is for. I don't know. I'll be looking up for that. So nice, sturdy clips. Second and third, and it goes way high. So I think this is a nice height that it can reach, and when compacted, I think this is good enough to put it on a backpack, on the side of the backpack, or a tripod mount. So yeah, I like it's good enough weight, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't feel like cheap, but it does not feel like, oh my god, I have to carry this all day long. So I will be gladly going to use this like for sport photography, mainly for using bigger lenses and stuff like that. I didn't need something like carbon fiber $2,000 monopod, just a simple monopod, but a good quality one that will last me for a long time. So yeah, this is the one that I'm going to be using these days, and I'll be giving you my full review later, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so this was a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Oben ACM-24000 4-section aluminum monopod. So I'll leave the links in the description down below, so you can find it on Amazon as well. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching guys, and please like the video and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.